Jagannath plows a field completely in 12 days. So he completes this field in 12 days. Mohan also completes a similar field in 12 days. So now, if Jagannath and Mohan decide to work together on a similar field, how much time do you think they would take to complete this field now? Which is same as this field, which is same as this field. So, Jagannath completes in 12 days, Mohan also completes in 12 days. If they work together, how much time will they take? Definitely not more than 12 days. Because in 12 days, they can complete the field individually. Would they take 12 days to complete it? In 12 days, only one person can complete it. But now two of them are working together. So if one person alone can complete it in 12 days, but he is being held by another person now, they will be able to finish this work in less than 12 days. So this should, if they work together, they should actually take less than 12 days. Intuitively, we can say that. Now, let's mathematically see it. We know that Jagannath is completing the field in 12 days. So if I try to see his one-day work, this would be 1 by 12. 1 out of those 12 parts, I divide this field equally in 12 parts. Similarly, Mohan is doing this entire field in 12 days. That is, if I divide it into 12 equal parts, 1 part per day. So his one-day work would be, again, 1 by 12. 1 of these 12 equal parts. Now, I want to find what if they work together. I know work done by Jagannath in 1 day is 1 by 12. Work done by Mohan in 1 day is again 1 by 12. I need to find how much work will they do together. So let's see. Jagannath will also work. But with Jagannath, Mohan will also work. So Mohan also works with Jagannath. So together you can see in 1 day they are completing 2 of these 12 parts. So if they are working together, they are completing 2 by 12 parts. 2 by 12 parts. Now if I simplify 2 by 12, this is same as saying 1 by 6. I divide by 2 both my numerator and denominator and I get 1 by 6. So let's see visually how this is 2 of 12, or I can say that this is 1 of 6 parts. This you can either say is 2 by 12. If I divide it into 12 equal parts, this portion, which is the green part, is 2 of those 12 parts. Whereas if I divide this same field into 6 equal parts, then that green part is nothing but 1 of those 6 parts. So I can say that together they are working 1 by 6. Clearly we can see that work done together is nothing but work done by Jagannath in 1 day plus work done by Mohan in 1 day gives me work done together in 1 day. How is that? 1 by 12 plus 1 by 12. Same denominator, I can add the numerators. I get 2 by 12, which is 1 by 6. So work done together in 1 day would be work done by Jagannath in 1 day plus work done by Mohan in 1 day. So I have this now. I know that together they are doing 1 by 6. If I divide the field into 6 equal parts, 1 part is being done of those 6 parts in 1 day if they are working together. Now I want to find how many days will they take to complete this whole field. What we know is that total work done is work done in 1 day into number of days. But now total work, they are doing it together. So I can say that total work done together would be work done together in 1 day into number of days. What I need to find is the number of days. So number of days would be equal to total work together divided by work done together in a day. Total work done together divided by work done together in a day. Total work that they have to do together is this whole field, which is 1 unit. So if this whole field is 1 unit, total work that they have to do together is 1 divided by work done together in one day. In one day, how much work are they doing together? 1 by 6. This is the work that they're doing. 1 of 6 equal parts, which is 1 by 6. So 1 divided by 1 by 6 gives me 6. So I get that the number of days that they need to complete this whole field is 6. Let's visually also check this out. We know in one day this is the amount of work that they're doing. So let's look at 6 days. So in 6 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in 6 days, they are completing the whole field. So this is how I can say that they'll take 6 days to complete the whole field. Now let's change this situation a bit. Let's say that Jagannath is still doing that same work in 12 days, that same field, but now Mohan gets a tractor. So his tractor is much efficient, that completes the work quickly. So he is able to do this field now in only 4 days. Now if they work together, how many days do you think would it take to complete the whole field? So we know that Jagannath is completing it in 12 days. So if I divide this field into 12 equal parts, I get his work per day. So in one day he would be doing just one of these 12 equal parts, that is 1 by 12. Now Mohan was completing the whole field in only 4 days using his tractor. So if I divide this field into 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, I get that each day he is doing this amount of work, which is this strip, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I can say that in one day he would be doing 1/4 of it. This would be his work in one day. Now I want to see if they work together, how much time will they take to complete the whole field. So let's see. Again, Jagannath is doing 1 by 12 in a day. In a day, how much is Mohan doing now? 1 by 4, because he's using a tractor. I want to find the work done together in a day. So that would be work done by Jagannath. Let's say Jagannath does this part, and work done by Mohan. So this is the work done by Mohan, this strip. If I take it here, you can see it's covering 1, 2, 3. 3 parts of the 12, and Jagannath's work is completing one part out of the 12. So in total we get 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts out of the 12 are being done in one day itself. So 1 by 12 here. Here you had 1 by 4. If they're working together, 4 by 12. Which can be confirmed also. Mathematically you can see, we'd seen that work done together would be work done by Jagannath in one day plus work done by Mohan in one day would be work done together in a day. So 1 by 12 plus 1 by 4. Different denominators. I'll make the denominator same by multiplying both numerator and denominator by 3. So I get 1 by 12 and this is 3 by 12. So 1 by 12 plus 3 by 12 gives me 4 by 12. So you can see again that work done together in a day would be work done by Mohan plus work done by Jagannath in one day. So what we know is that together the work that is being done in one day is 1 by 3. I want to find the number of days they take to complete this whole field. Again, we'll come back to a basic formula. Total work together, work done together in a day times number of days. So I want to find number of days. That would be total work together divided by work together in one day, which is this. Number of days would be total work together divided by work done together in one day. Now total work that they need to do is completing this whole field. Now a field is 1 unit. So I say that the total work that has to be done is 1. We're taking this entire field to be 1 unit. Work done together in one day is 1 by 3. You already know that. So 1 divided by 1 by 3 gives me the number of days. This is equal to, this is 1 divided by 1 by 3, which is 1 times 3 by 1, reciprocating this. which is equal to 3. So what I find is that number of days that they'll take to complete this whole field is 3. Now we can visualize that also. Mathematically we found that they'll take 3 days. Let's visualize this. In one day, this is what the tractor is doing, that is Mohan in one day. This is what Jagannath is doing in one day. Let's check next day. Again, this is what Mohan will do. This is what Jagannath will do in second day and in third day. What you see is that in 3 days, the whole field is completed. So, number of days is 3 to complete this whole field. Now, let's look at this. We know that Jagannath and Ramlal. Now, Ramlal is joining Jagannath and they complete this whole field in 8 days. All I know is that Jagannath can do 1 by 12 in a day. What he does is, if I divide this field into 12 equal parts, he does one of those 12 parts in one day. So that is what I know. I don't know about Ramlal anything. So all I know is when Ramlal joins Jagannath, they are completing the work in 8 days. What if Ramlal alone has to do this field? How much time will he take? So if I want to find the number of days that Ramlal will take to complete this whole field, I should know the work that he can do in one day. So, I know that together they'll complete this whole field in 8 days. Let's look at this. So, they'll complete this whole field in 8 days. So, I divide this into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each day they're doing one part. I'm assuming that they're doing equal work in equal days. So, in each day they're doing equal work. So, this is the work that they're doing in one day, which is 1/8. Now, total work in 8 days, they are completing it. This is the work that they are doing in one day. Now, I need to find work done together in one day is what I know. What I am interested in finding is that work done by Ramlal in one day. This is what I don't know. But to find how many days would Ramlal take, I need to find this first. So, what I'll do is, work done together in one day is this, which is 1/8. I know work done by Jagannath also in one day, which is 1/12. So I substitute these values. Work done together in one day is 1/8. 8 parts, 8 equal parts. They're doing one of these 8 equal parts, so 1/8. Work done by Jagannath in one day is 1/12, which you already know. We want to find work done by Ramlal in a day. So again, subtracting, work done by Ramlal would be 1/8 minus 1/12. Now I have two fractions here, different denominators. What I'll do is, I'll make the denominator the same. I can take LCM of 8 and 12. So LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. So if I make each term, the denominator of each term to be 24, what would I get? This would become, I multiply both the numerator and denominator by 3 to get 24 here. And here I multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2 to get 24 again in the denominator. So I get, this would be 3/24 minus 2/24. Denominator is same, so I can subtract now. I get 1/24. Now this is the work done by Ramlal in one day. Let's look at this. This was the total work that they were doing, 1/8. I subtracted the work that Jagannath was doing from here. So this is the total work. I subtract, this is the work that Jagannath is doing. So I subtract his work. So this is actually the work that Ramlal is doing, which I found is equal to 1/24. So I get that work done by Ramlal is actually 1/24. That is, this part is 1/24. That means if I divide this field into 24 equal parts, this would be one of those parts. Let's visualize that. I divide the field into 24 equal parts, and this small part is actually one of those 24 parts. So this is 1 by 24. That is work done by Ramlal in one day. What did I need to find? I need to find how many days would Ramlal alone take to complete this field. I know Ramlal does now 1 by 24 in one day. I know that work that he has to do is 1, which is completing the whole field. So total work done is work done in one day into number of days. I want to find number of days. So number of days would be total work done divided by work done in one day. Total work done divided by work done in one day. Now total work that has to be done in this case is completing the whole field, which is 1. I divide this by work done in one day. Now Ramlal does 1 by 24 in one day. So work done in one day is 1 by 24. That is 1 divided by 1 by 24. So number of days is 24. So 1 divided by 1 by 24 gives me 24. That is, Ramlal will take 24 days to complete this whole field, which again we can visualize here. This is one part. If he has to complete 24 such parts, then of course he'll take 24 days to complete it. So this is how you can see that you can use total work done is work done in one day into number of days, and total work done together would be work done together in one day into number of days. So remember these two formula and you'll be able to solve difficult problems too.